Hello everyone, welcome back. Nice to see everyone again. So I'm coming to you with my updated curly hair routine. Okay, we're moving fast. So, hold up. Okay, the first thing that I showed you was this Amika overnight hydration mask that I slept in. Then it was my As I Am black castor oil water. This is the Innersense leave-in conditioner. This is the Amika Hydration Intense Moisture leave-in conditioner. This is all that I use to prep my hair for my wash and go. So this is the amika, the Cure Repair Treatment, which is supposed to be like some protein for your hair. I was straightening my hair a lot the last couple months, and I noticed that the front of my hair is a little bit looser, so I'm trying to, nurse that back to health and get those curls back popping. That was the doux Most Def. It's their mousse. I really like it. So this is really my routine. So yeah, I prep with all the moisturizing stuff, get the protein back in there, and then like my styler that I use is the mousse, and then I just detangle it, make sure everything is evenly coated, all the strands, and then I do the finger coiling method to like clump the curls and enhance the definition. So that is literally what I do all throughout my hair. I'm not going to show you the whole entire thing because it gets pretty boring and redundant, but so yeah, I'm just going to show you like these two. But I wanted to talk a little bit about my hair, and please excuse my little baby child in the back. They look crazy. Listen, it was a Saturday. We were getting ready for the day. Anyways, but yeah, so for the last couple months, I really was just doing the straight styles. I was feeling myself because I'm gaining my length back. And then I was like, whenever I would do my curly hair routine, I was experiencing a lot of single strand knots. So I was like, I'm just going to take a break from the curly. And but now I'm like kind of regretting it a little bit. I mean, it's doing way better than it was in the past with heat damage. I'm not experiencing any like straight pieces, but I can definitely tell in the front, and you'll see too in the front, it's a lot looser than before. But yeah, boom, bam. Did that side, and then I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Just hang on. But so I got this method. Well, I got inspired by this method rather from Mono's Hair. I was using this other leave-in conditioner along with that mousse that she recommended in her last curly hair routine that she posted, and I really, really like it. But I really also like Amika products, so I've been giving them a whirl, and they're doing me justice. But yeah, so I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. But my hair has grown tremendously. I'm still keeping up with my trims. I'm going to do a straight hair routine at some point. So right now it's May, and my birthday is at the end of June, and so I'm really trying to refrain from straightening it until my birthday. But I don't know. You guys know how I get. But yeah, my hair has been thriving. She's beautiful. She's getting so long. I'm proud. I feel like I've really learned her, and we've learned about each other, and we're working on the same team now. So yeah, I really can't complain. I think that's really all I have to say about my hair for now. Oh, actually, let me talk about deep conditioning. So instead of using like a hooded dryer and everything, I've gotten really, really lazy with my curly hair routine. I do still deep condition every time that I wash, which is every week, but I just do it in the shower, and I just let it sit however long it says on the bottle. And most of the time they say like, 2 to 5 minutes or 2 to 7 minutes on the bottle. So I don't do like this whole extravagant deep conditioning thing anymore. I honestly probably could, but whatever I'm doing seems to be working. My hair is holding up pretty okay. I just took my Dyson, and first I used the concentrated nozzle to try to dry and focus on the roots. And then I take that off, and I'm going to put on the diffuser attachment to get like the length of the hair. Just that it's not drying like, straight. Not straight, but you get what I'm saying? Like I'm trying to get the volume back. So I use the concentrated nozzle for the roots, the diffuser attachment for the length of the hair. And then I'm going to take that off and then just have like the regular blow dryer, and it's just going to hit everywhere. And I don't get it all the way dry. I probably get it about halfway dry, and then I do air drying the rest of the way just because I don't have patience to sit under nobody's dryer. So anyways, this is it, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's all dry. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. This is my curly hair routine. Hope you liked it. Bye.